So now we come to the last question of this exercise. So here you have your 10th question. Look here children, you have decimals over here. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So instead of multiplying it with decimals, let us convert these decimals into fractions for simplifying it easier. Okay, so you have 25, when you convert it into fractions, you get 25 by 100 into 4f minus 3. Here also you have two decimal places. After the decimal you have two places. So you have 5 by 100 into 10f minus 9. So let us see here what we can do is, you can cancel here. 25 goes once and 25 goes 4 times. 5 goes once, 5 goes 20 times. So we have 1 by 4 into 4f minus 1 by 4 into 3 equal to 1 by 20 into 10f minus 1 by 20 into 9. So let's simplify it now. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. We're left with only f. And minus 3 by 4 equal to, then 10 goes once, 10 goes 2 times. You get f by 2 minus 9 by 20. Okay. Now let's bring all the variables to the LHS. So we have f minus f by 2 equal to minus 9 by 20 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 comes to the right hand side and minus becomes plus. So here you have the LCM as 2. LCM is 2 and you have 1 goes to 2 times. You get 2f minus f. 2 ones are 2. So and then here the LCM is again 20, right? So 20 is a multiple of 4, so you get 20 as the LCM of 4 and 20. So you get 20 goes once, so 1 into 9 minus 9 is minus 9. 4 goes 25 times, 5 3s are 15. Okay. So this you see here, 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones are and 2 tens are. Then here you get minus 2 minus 2f minus f gives you only f. And directly you get it as, yes children, what did we get? Here we get it as 6 by 10. And that is nothing but f is equal to 0.6. You bring it back to the decimals, you get f is equal to 0.6 is the solution of this equation. Those who want to solve it in the decimal method itself, you can do this same problem in the following method. Okay, so let's see how we can do it without converting into fractions. So when you multiply 0.25 with 4, you see 25 into 4, sorry, with 4 you get 25 into 4 is 100, and because you have two places after the decimal, you get it as 1. So you get it as, what do you get here? 1f. 0.25 into 4f is nothing but 1f minus, again you see 0.25 into 3. So 25 3s are, you get 75. So you get two decimal places from counting from the right side, you get 0.75 equal to. So here you just have to, when you multiply it with 10, the decimal place actually shifts to the right side. You need not multiply it there actually. So you get 0.5f minus, and here 0.05 into 9 gives you 9 5s are 45. And therefore you get a decimal here, 0.45. Now as it is, let's bring the variables to the left hand side and the constants to the right hand side. So you have f minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Yeah. So here this is 1f minus 0.5f. So 1 minus 0.5, what do we get, students? You get 0.5. So you get, so if you want to do the subtraction also, it is 1 minus 0.5. So what do you get here? You take it as 0.5. So 0.5f is equal to 0.75 minus 0.45 gives you, so here you see 5 minus 5 0 and 7 minus 4 is 3, you get 0.30, so you get 0.30. Okay, so now f is equal to 0.30 by 0.5. Now when you cancel it by this, multiply and divide it by 100, then you get 30 by 50, that is 3 by 5. So f is equal to 0.6. So here also we have got the solution of the equation as f is equal to 0.6. Is that clear, children? Those who want to do it in this method, you can follow this method, or you can also convert it into fractions and then solve it. So with that, we come to an end to exercise 2.5. Very neatly write your problems in your classwork, and if you have any doubts, please text it to your mathematics teachers. Is that clear, children? And whatever problems you have done were given for homework for exercise 2.3. I will just post them. Check your answers whether your answers are correct. Okay. So see, all these years your parents were looking after you so well. It's time now that you are at home, right? And look after your parents and elders. So children, here you have your homework for today. And that is, you learn exercise 2.5, all the 10 questions again. Solve it on your own in your rough books. And learn example 16 and 17. Okay. Stay home, stay safe, all the best and happy learning.